In this video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay images in Elementor. So in order to do that, we first need to head over to elementor.com, log into your account, or click on this Get Started option that we can see right here. So into this part, you can actually create your own account, and let's head over and host this on our WordPress. Onto your WordPress, click onto this login, or click onto this Get Started option that you can see right here. So I already have an account, so let me head over and log in. Now this is the page that I have created using Elementor. So in order to overlay an image, we first need to head over to this right here, click on this plus icon, and then let's enter in here a container. Now into this, we have a blank container. Now this container, let's click on this advanced option, and then unexpand the layout, and you can see in here this attributes for this one. We also head over to your style in order to see this background, and you can see this classic option. So let's choose in here this, and click on this choose image, and choose in here the image that you wish to utilize. I'll head over and choose this one and click onto this select. As you can see, it's now added, so let's head over to our layout and let's make this bigger. So let's choose in here and let's expand the height for this one. And this is what it looks like right now. You can also reduce that if you would want to. Now, since we already have our image, let's add in here a text that will be overlaid with that. Now, you can choose any widget that you wish to overlay with this, but on my case, I'll just choose a heading text and then add that right here. You can see it right here. You can change its style, colors, alignments, and the likes, as well as its blend mode for this case. So you just head over and choose in here and then edit the content, and you can see it right here all together. Just head over and then just edit it to your liking. So that's how you overlay images in Elementor. Hope you helped.